In this video, you learn how to use OINP-ES calculator by Parsai Immigration Services. OINP stands for Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program. This program is a provincial nominee program for those people who intend to reside in Ontario. Of course, OINP comes in different options. However, the focus of this video is a specific option for job creators. If you are a successful business person or senior manager, this option could be for you. Nonetheless, you need to meet the minimum requirements before applying for this program. If you are not familiar with the minimum requirements, consider reading my articles on this subject. I have posted the links below this video. If you intend to apply under this program, you need to show your interest first. Consequently, you need to submit an expression of interest or EOI application to OINP. Based on the answers you provide, the provincial immigration officers evaluate your application. If you do not meet the minimum requirements, they reject your EOI. But if you do, they assign points to you and enter you in the pool of OINP-ES. Now and again, the officers pick those who receive the highest number of points. Therefore, it is essential to obtain a high score. You could receive up to 200 points based on the following three scoring sections. Human capital factors up to 80 points, investment factors up to 46 points, business concept up to 74 points. There are no minimum score requirements for the first two categories. However, you need to receive at least 37 points under the business concept scoring system, or the officers won't accept your application. Human capital factors. Under the OINP Entrepreneur system, you could receive up to 80 points in this category. Here is a breakdown of these points. Business experience up to 25 points. Past specific experience up to 35 points. Level of education up to 10 points. Official language ability, that is knowledge of either English or French languages, up to 10 points. Investment factors. OINP Entrepreneur point system assigns up to 46 points under this scoring section, namely net worth up to 15 points, investment amount up to 25 points, business-related visits to Ontario up to 6 points. The business concept factors. You could receive up to 74 points under this OINP Entrepreneur scoring category. However, you need at least 37 points or you have no opportunity to immigrate under this program. Unfortunately, the points you receive under these factors highly depend on the officer's decision. Business model. Description of the proposed business up to 15 points. Market research up to 15 points. Key sector and economic benefit up to 10 points. Investment allocation up to 10 points. Business location up to 10 points. Job creation up to 7 points. Creation of NOC 0A or B jobs up to 7 points. Let's talk about OINP-ES calculator. At Parsai Immigration Services, we have developed a proprietary calculator to identify your potential OINP-ES points when you submit an EOI. Visit the following link to access the calculator: settler.ca/OINP. That is settler.ca/OINP. Let's run a live demonstration of this calculator, assuming that there is a hypothetical applicant who wants to apply under this program. It's just to show you how to use this calculator. I'm using the desktop version, but the mobile version is pretty much the same. I also won't explain the details of each question because at the end of the day, you need to read my articles to know more about those options. And as I mentioned, I have posted the links below the video. The first question is that whether you are a business owner or a senior manager. For the sake of argument, let's select I am a business owner. How many months of business ownership experience have you had in the past 5 years? If it's less than 24 months, then you do not qualify. Look, if I click less than 24 months, it tells me, sorry, but you are not eligible for this program. So for the sake of argument, I say I have 60 months or more of experience. The next options give me extra points. So let's say 2 of those options apply to me. For example, I have experience in a high growth business that showed at least 20% increase in 2 consecutive years. And the second one that I pick is that my experience in the past 5 years is in the same or comparable industry that I am going to do business in Ontario. The next question is about my education. What is your highest level of education? Let's say post-secondary degree or diploma, 3-year program or longer. Have you taken an official English or French language test? I say yes. The next question is that which test in the past 2 years? I pick IELTS General. The next question is about my scores. So listening 5 or more, reading 4 or more, writing 5 or more, and speaking 5 or more. We're done with the first page, so I click next on the lower right corner. The next page is where is your destination or investment sector? I would say I want to invest outside GTA, so I select the first option. My proposed business will be outside the Greater Toronto Area or GTA. How much is your net worth in Canadian dollars? I would say $1 million or more. How much do you intend to invest in your business in Ontario in Canadian dollars? Let's say between $500,000 and $799,999. Have you completed at least one business-related visit to Ontario in the past 12 months? And I say, no, I haven't. I'm done with the second page and I click next. Here, how do you self-evaluate your proposed business model? Remember that for this one, unfortunately, the final say is with the immigration officer. However, we included these questions here to see your level of confidence in terms of approaching this program. That gives us a little bit more information about how serious you are about investment and how confident you are about your investment. However, it doesn't exactly tell you what would be your score by the officer. So these are some of the questions that are related to the officer. How do you self-evaluate your proposed business model? Here I just say fair. How do you self-evaluate your market research? I click fair. How do you self-evaluate the significant benefits of your proposed business in Ontario? Again, fair. And the last one, how do you self-evaluate the clarity of your investment allocation in Ontario? Again, I select fair. I'm not done because there are some other questions. Where do you intend to establish your business in Canada? So we say outside GTA, but the question is that when you are investing outside GTA, what would be the population of the location that you are targeting? Here I say other location with a population of 100,000 people or less. Then the next question is that how many jobs are you going to create for Canadians or permanent residents of Canada? Let's say 5 or more positions. How many of those positions will be NOC 0 A or B jobs? I would say 2 or more. Now we're done. So if I click next, the system will tell me what would be my score. As you can see, it says, thank you for answering the questions on this calculator. Based on your personal answers, your score is 153. However, since your final score depends on the officer, it could fall anywhere between 129 and 179. And then up until this point, we don't collect your information. However, if you want us to help you, then you can enter your name, your email address, and your phone number and click send. And that's when all the answers that you have given will be transferred to our assessment team. They will get in touch with you and we further investigate the matter to see if we can help you. And just as a disclaimer, this is an unofficial calculation of your points. We cannot be held responsible for the accuracy of this calculator. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Al Parsai. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. I teach immigration consulting at Ashton College. I have 10 years of experience as an immigration consultant. I'm the author of the bestseller book, 88 Tips on Immigration to Canada. You can purchase this book by visiting any Amazon website. If you're in doubt, just visit 88tips.ca for your purchasing options. Please subscribe to our channel, enable notifications, and share this video with your friends. See you soon.